Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to rotate your computer screen. If you find this guide helpful to them, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Your screen may already be rotated at this moment, or you are trying to rotate it in a different direction. Alright. So what you have to do is to right-click on an empty space on your desktop and go down and click on Display Settings. This can be difficult. If your computer screen is already rotated, you may want to move your mouse in a different direction than you expect. When you're in the display settings, all you have to do is go to Scale and Layout, scroll down and find Display Orientation. Come over to the right and you can then go and choose the orientation you want. It could be landscape or portrait, and you can also have it flipped as well. In this case, to have it back to normal, you can have it as landscape, or you can go and choose a different one there. It's going to be up to you, and that's it. Once you select your option, it'll rotate.